the hotel because we're going to see the embassy, consulate, and so follow me, let's go. Ano siya? Ako na. Come to our hotel. So ito po yung mga Filipino na kababayan.
Kawai-kawai! Sawadikap!
The kababayan and here consular outreach September 7, 2019 at the hotel. Alright, so now let's go and we're going to interview the Vice Consul. Vice Consul!
What's his name?
Juan Carlos Seaver Bormio. He's the Vice Consul here in Thailand. And we're going to ask him about reintegration program ng OFW.
Wow.
Everyone, this is Layan and welcome to my vlog. Here we are with Sir Juan Carlos Bormio, the Vice Consul here in Thailand, and we're going to talk with him. Thank you so much, sir, for allowing us.
Yeah, and good evening to all your followers. Yeah.
Okay,
Sige
so,
po.
sir, I have mentioned earlier about reintegration, OFW reintegration program, and can you please more elaborate?
Okay. Sure.
So that,
Yun. Actually, it's a program called Department of Labor and Employment natin because as I had said before, ever since naman ang stand on ng government is migration should be an option, not a necessity for our kababayans. So habang we make efforts to ensure that yung mga karapatan nyo and welfare nyo overseas are protected, we also in turn want to create opportunities for you sa sarili nating bansa. So that's in essence what the OFW Integration Program is about. To cite an example, sometime last year in September, there was a speaker from Dole who went to Bangkok to share with you OFWs about what this reintegration program is all about, and particularly for Thailand. One is yung mga kaguruan, mga teachers, because believe it or not, in the Philippines, you have a shortage ng teaching staff.
kasi pumunta na lahat sa Thailand.
Well, not necessarily. More and more students are not getting into education. So, and most of the vacancies are in public schools. So ngayon,
Maybe because of the 12th grade?
8 to 12? Maybe. But sa ngayon, when the Education Secretary visited Thailand last year, she shared with us na competitive na ngayon ang sweldo sa private and public. In fact, sa mga private schools, napapirate na yung mga teachers nila to public schools. Because the public schools apparently are paying better. So that's in essence what the integration program is all about. So yeah, if you want, you can check the website ng Dole. And I think there will be more information there.
So, sabi mo earlier, sir, na everyone can apply.
Yes,
Old and
sa pagkakaalam
current.
ko, advise it to check. It's open for everyone. And although if you applied, parang it's an indication na gusto nyo talaga balik.
So, anong requirements, sir, if you know? Just general, not specific. Maybe some.
Parang, well, I don't think naman there's masyadong mahigpit yung requirements. Of course, you have
So,
to be
I've
overseas.
heard kasi sabi ng friend ko, I've heard she said you need to attend seminar, how to make a business plan.
Well, sa sa pagkakaintindi ko, that is one of the services na in-offer for those na gusto magnegosyo.
Ah, okay.
Because hindi naman tayo lahat mga business-oriented, so that's why that's probably one of those na in-offer for those na gusto magnegosyo. But sa pagkakaalam ko, it's not necessarily a requirement. Yeah.
Okay, so pag mag-business ka po, bibigyan ka nila ng capital.
I doubt na bibigyan. If at all, it's probably tamang amount lang, but I would, I have to check kung talagang bibigyan ng capital kasi usually they just provide you with skills and knowledge. And
For skills and knowledge.
probably not so substantial amount, if I remember correctly.
Yes. So, kasi merong nagsabi sa akin, meron ng kaway names na patulungan sila. Part of ba yun na
I believe so. I believe so. Yeah.
OFW.
Yes. Some banks, land bank,
I think land bank.
nag-offer na ng ganun. Yeah.
And it's part of the reintegration program. Hindi ko kasi, kasi kagawin mo lang.
Okay.
It's a friend.
Yeah.
So, she mentioned here what are the requirements, but we just check out the website.
Yeah.
And another question, sir.
Sige po.
Ano po, we heard about this national ID.
Yes. Okay. So for information mo yung followers, national ID law has been passed. But right now, yung Philippine Statistics Authority, yung dating NSO, alam nyo, are still, PSA na, are still crafting the implementing rules and
Oh, so hindi po
regulations.
pala siya approved?
Approve na siya, hindi pa lang na-implement.
Okay, sorry.
Hindi pa lang na-implement. So, whether in the Philippines or overseas, wala pang, hindi pa tumatanggap ng applications because we don't have we're still working out the process. So yeah, just wait na lang for any announcements.
Probably by when?
Ay, yun lang, hindi ko masasagot, ma'am. Kasi this is primarily function ng PSA. Though I know na if you read the law, I think one of the application centers is sa embassy, but we don't know yet how that will be. But wait na lang for the
Yeah,
IRR.
pero yung OFW card, approved na po diba? At saka na-implement.
Yes.
Paano po kami mag-apply?
Ang application po is primarily through OWA.
So, OWAS hindi kami pwede sa dito.
We don't accept as of now. Sa ngayon, we just release yung mga cards.
Kasi na-try ko mag-apply online, sir. At saka, kailangan kung saang place doon sa Philippines kukunin yung card. At saka walang Thailand embassy doon sa website.
Ganun ba?
Yes
That's something
po.
for OWA to
Yes.
work out.
At saka hindi ko natuloy kasi kailangan kung saang BFA mo o saang OWA office mo kukunin yung card.
Is that so?
Yes po.
Okay. Usually kasi may mga pumupunta dito. Last year yata may pumunta tiga OWA. So nag-apply. Then, parang pinadala na lang sa embassy. Yeah, but before the usual na I guess sa OWA pa rin sa Pilipinas.
At saka, di ba may ano sir, may ID din.
Yes.
Hindi sa OFW card. May
Yeah.
ibang ID. Ano po yan?
For those who wish to have some sort of identification card, pwede mag-apply, kung may mag-apply po sa embassy. We just need picture and a copy ng passport.
Anong po ma'am? Magkano po yun?
Wala pong fee.
Walang also, hindi ba yung punta na ng embassy?
Yes.
At saka mag-apply. So, wala kayong service niyo.
I think may mga nadala kami, just itanong na lang sa ano. Usually, we don't really, we always bring just in case.
Sir, last na. Ano po yung mga advice niyo sa mga OFW dito sa Thailand yung do's and don'ts?
Okay. Do's and don'ts. Okay. So just like us, we are all so visitor, bisita tayo dito. So just be mindful of the practices. I think I don't need to repeat. You should respect yung culture ng host country natin. And of course, be mindful of the rules and regulations in the country. And another tip is, if you have, don't believe kaagad sa mga chismis. Especially on embassy or government-related matters. Please ask, call our office in Bangkok, and we'll be most happy to provide clarification on anything government-related.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Ay, isa pa pala, sir, kasi paano po if a Filipino who's employed here and then suddenly na-terminate po siya without any reason sa ano niya? Ano pong may tutulong ng embassy?
Okay, it is
May laban po ba sila sa labor? Tutulungan po ba ng embassy na mailaban sa labor yung
okay, ito po yun. Pag mga ganong kaso, what the embassy can do is provide assistance in securing counsel, presentation for that Filipino concern. However, we must keep in mind that once nasa korte na siya, korte de justicia na siya, we cannot, as the embassy cannot interfere in the process. We can only help our kababayan as he or she goes through the process, but not to interfere. Hindi naman pwede sulatan ng judge na
yes.
is rule in favor of kababayan.
So all those process will be done here or in the labor here?
Yes, if the case is filed.
Yeah, because I think merong mga nangyayari ganyan sa mga OFW na parang din-terminate sila without any reason.
Well,
dahil lang siguro galit yung boss nila or may nagsiselos po.
yeah, but pag ganun, you should be able to have a copy ng kontrata. The contract should be clear if kung ano ang grounds for termination. Yeah. Of course, we do our best to help yung kababayan natin are subject to this kind of such events.
Yan po, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you then. And,
Thank you sa pag